Morning.
Morning.
So this is our second day at Bali, and what we're gonna do today is we've got a really adventurous thing planned, don't we?
Very adventurous.
We're so excited to go to it. It's gonna be the ATV ride and the water rafting. So we booked that for 10 a.m. today. It's currently 9:04, so we're gonna leave in like 20 minutes. But yesterday, we didn't really vlog anything because there wasn't much to vlog. We just kind of chilled around in the villa, and Sarai went to the dentist. We also got the bike, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. We booked it from the villa directly, so freebooking.com, and I think they gave us a pretty good rate. But it's a pretty nice bike. It rides smooth. So we're gonna ride that to the meeting point in Ubud, and and then after that we will vlog the process of us on the ATVs and the water rafts.
Yeah, so come with us.
We're really excited for you guys to see what this is all about.
So first up, we have to use mosquito repellent. This is the one that we got.
And apparently it's the most popular one and the best smelling one as well. Everyone recommends it, which is good.
Because we can't be getting any.
Yeah,
mosquitoes.
over here you'll get bit up really badly. Oh, it's dripping, it's dripping. It's dripping everywhere. Are you sure it's not open? It might be open.
No, it's because I'm doing it upside down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Such a beautiful day today. Got a pretty villa. So yesterday we also had a bit of food. We got some bin bags because they didn't really go that much bin bags. But we stocked up the fridge a little bit as well. We've got a few things. We still need to eat that coconut. So one day when we're back, we're gonna eat that. We just got a few drinks, Yakults as well, just for our gut health. And we got a peach and a mango. So that's gonna be nice.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to the Ayung River. Before we go, my name is Ruma.
Ruma, nice to meet you.
Everybody forward. Forward, paddle. Let's go. Ale. Okay. My second day.
Oh,
Yup.
really?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Take care.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sometimes someone or many people fall down.
Right. Oh my god.
That's why I told you. Watch your head. Okay, stop. The other drop. Hang on the rope. Yo, 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 yo.
Oh.
Let's go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, stop. Boom, boom, soon, guys. Hang
Oh,
on,
no.
Hang on, yes.
Go sideways. Oh.
Forward, paddle.
Hold the rope, guys.
Okay,
Oh my god, that one looks insane.
my bro, hold on.
Oh!
Oh my god, I'm getting soaked the most. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Monkey, monkey.
Monkey!
Yeah.
Oh, monkey! Monkey! Oh! 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 Push, 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 push! Push, push, push! Push, push!
Yeah. Ah.
Oh, wow. Oh, they got a drone here.
Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up.
It's good? Put my helmet, bro.
Guys, we just came from the what's it, river rafting, and now we're at the gorilla ATV adventure. Actually soaked like completely. It's really bad, but the problem is that it literally started pouring. Like, here's the clip of literally rain. I think there was a car getting a car wash because of how heavy the rain was. But yeah, we came on the bike, so our bike's right here. It's completely soaked. Everything is completely soaked. We didn't expect the rain to be this heavy, but at least the rain is not here, which is good because we're gonna film and we're gonna show you guys what the ATV adventure is about. I'm excited. I can't wait. So, elbow pad. Okay, let's go. Yep, thank you.
Double?
Yep, double. Okay. Whoa.
You ready?
Yeah. Okay, so this to start?
Yeah, start from brake, right brake, then start engine.
Yep.
It's the accelerator.
That's all?
Accelerator.
Oh, accelerator, okay.
No, like the scooter.
Oh, no, like scooter, okay, yeah, I see, okay.
Just the brake here,
Yeah,
forward, and then reverse.
okay.
Automatic.
Alright.
Don't be going down, stop. Oh my god. What the hell? It looks like chocolate. Oh my god! Oh my god! Guys, chocolate. Look at the chocolate.
Brother, what's that?
Guys, I'm so glad that they give us boots because look at this. Wait, sorry, stop. Sorry. Wow. What is that? It's sock has come from white to brown, you know. My one's okay, relatively.
It's because of where I was sat.
This side is not that great.
Hey
guys.
So all back and showered now.
That was one of the most amazing experiences we've done in a long while. And
It was really good.
yeah, and literally we we spent the whole day. So if you guys want to book that attraction, we'll put it down below, a link. But it was actually so good.
It was very exhausting there.
Yeah, it
Very
was really exhausting. So we started off with the water rafting, which was literally so fun. We literally got soaked. It was just me that was getting hit so much throughout the
We
whole
all got
moment.
soaked, but he was getting targeted.
Yeah, I was getting targeted by the waves, so we would like swing that towards the
very
waves, and I would
scary.
get
It was
hit.
very scary at first, but then after a while, I just got used to it.
Yeah, it was the same with me as well.
There was a hike down and a hike up though.
Yeah.
A lot of it was stairs, but I may have slipped once or twice.
Yeah, Soraya kind of slipped at one point, but anyways, it was a really good
Yeah,
experience.
My life flashed before my eyes. You say that.
Her whole leg basically fell inside of like some barrier that's meant to keep you away from the cliff. Her whole leg just slipped like straight into it. I wish I recorded it, but I didn't. So unfortunately, the vlog doesn't actually get to see it. But it was really good. I really enjoyed that whole experience over there. We started off in like doing the hike going down, and then through the hike we went into the rafts. They did like a brief introduction first, and then we went into the rafts. And yeah, it was really good. We started rafting. We like the tour guides were really funny. Like they would just be saying like random stuff in the back, and we'd just
Hyping
be
you up.
hyping you up as well.
And like if you scream, they take a mick out of your scream.
Yeah. And we were literally going down the river. Like there were so many beautiful spots. We saw so many like
We were
amazing
play fighting
scenery.
as well with the other boats.
Yeah, the other
So
boats
we'd
would
splash
crash.
them.
Yeah, the other boats would crash into us,
And we would splash them.
and then they splash us back
And
as
we
well.
were like racing as well.
Yeah, which was really fun. And some of the drops were like crazy. At the end of the whole thing, there was like a 10-meter drop that we went straight down, which was really fun. We also managed to like they had like recording stations, and they like recorded the whole thing, and we bought that. I don't know how much it was. It's like 600 IDR.
Well, you guys saw all of the footage.
Yeah, and that was really good as well. And then moving on to the ATV. Before the ATV, actually, the rain started pouring down. It was
When it
so
rains,
bad.
it pours.
Yeah, when it rained, it
Definitely.
pours. We also got like nice food, which was really nice.
Oh my god, what is
Like-
that? Oh my god!
Basically, I was stepping on the stone, right? I don't know why the stone cracked when I stepped on it. Me and Sarah both just kind of looked down. We were like, "Oh shit!"
What
Oh,
did you do?
I don't know what I did. I just stepped on it and it's kind of cracked. Well, all right, and they also gave us food in the rafting place, and it was actually really good. Like I really enjoyed the food. That was our first time trying Balinese cuisine, isn't it? We haven't tried it yet, so that was really nice. I really liked
It
that.
was really good because it had like different options.
Yeah, they have different options, like buffet style, so you could go anytime, as many times as you want. And then we arrived at the ATV place. ATV was really fun. We really enjoyed
Yeah, we
it.
recommend it. We'll put down like all of the places that we went today because we really recommend them. They're
Yeah.
really accommodating and nice, and yeah, the price
Yeah,
was like £40 per person.
yeah, it's not gonna get beaten for the whole
But
day. Yeah,
you get food included. You get literally the best service. You get treated really well there.
yeah. So we really recommend this place. We will link it down in the bottom. But now what we're gonna do
Go grab
is
dinner.
we're gonna get some dinner, and we're going to this place called Warung Kayana, I think. Yeah, Warung Kayana. That's what it's called, and it's barbecue pork, Indonesian style. So we're really excited to see it. We've been seeing it viral on TikTok like for a really long time, and we were like, when we go to Indonesia, when we go to Bali, we're gonna try this barbecue pork because it looks so good. Like it's literally like comes off the bone, the pork. Like it looks so good. So we're gonna go try that now, and probably try a few other things as well. And then we'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so we got Indonesian style noodles. I think it's fried noodles, right? And then a large barbecue pork ribs. That looks so good. It literally looks so good. And then we also got a grilled barbecue chicken as well. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm not gonna lie, if this is really good, I'm gonna have to go for seconds. So let's see. Oh, look at that. That is so good.
The noodles are good. And like that, it's been demolished, and he wants seconds.
Can we have a... Guys, we literally devoured everything. Everything is finished. This place is so good. 10/10. Guys, we're just gonna get a quick little ice cream for dessert from this place. Aicha #1 ice cream. I want a cone, probably. So yeah. Thanks for watching.
So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share the video. It will mean a lot to us.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog today. We had a lot of fun, and hopefully we'll see you guys soon.
See you next time. Mwah.
See you.